Welcome back. Today we will explore 5 crucial travel hacks. These tips are designed to enhance your travel experience and make your journeys smoother. Whether you're traveling to major cities or remote destinations, traveling can present various challenges. Managing heavy luggage, navigating unfamiliar places, and handling unexpected issues are common concerns. However, with the right strategies, travel can be enjoyable and stress-free. Here are 5 essential travel tips to help you on your next adventure. Okay, first up, let's talk about packing. We've all been there, staring at a mountain of clothes, wondering how we're going to fit it all into one suitcase. My advice? Pack light. Seriously, it's a game changer. You don't need half the stuff you think you do. Think about it, do you really need 5 pairs of shoes for a weekend getaway? Probably not. Instead, choose versatile pieces that you can mix and match. A couple of basic tees, a pair of jeans, a nice shirt or dress, and a light jacket will take you a long way. Plus, when you pack light, you avoid those pesky baggage fees, and you don't have to lug around a heavy suitcase. Trust me, your shoulders will thank you later. Next up, let's talk about planning. I know, spontaneity is fun, but trust me on this one. A little planning goes a long way, especially when it comes to travel. Before you jet off, take some time to research your destination. Figure out the best places to stay, eat, and explore. Booking accommodations and activities in advance can save you a ton of stress and money, especially during peak season. Plus, having a rough itinerary will help you make the most of your time and ensure you don't miss out on any must-see attractions. Alright, let's talk language barriers. Don't worry, you don't need to be fluent in every language to travel the world, but learning a few basic phrases in the local language can make a world of difference. Think about it. Even a simple, hello, thank you, or excuse me can go a long way in showing respect and connecting with locals. Download a translation app on your phone, or carry a small phrase book with you. Not only will it make your interactions smoother, but it also shows the locals that you're making an effort, which they'll appreciate. This next tip is crucial. Stay hydrated. Traveling can take a toll on your body, especially if you're hopping time zones or exploring hot and humid destinations. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, headaches, and a weakened immune system. No thanks. So, make sure you're drinking plenty of water throughout your trip. Carry a reusable water bottle with you and fill it up whenever you get the chance. Also, don't forget to eat healthy foods. Traveling can disrupt your regular eating habits, but try to maintain a balanced diet. Pack some healthy snacks like fruits, nuts, or granola bars to avoid unhealthy temptations. Last but not least, let's talk about safety. When you're traveling, it's super important to keep your belongings and personal information safe. This means being aware of your surroundings and taking precautions to protect yourself from theft or fraud. Make sure to keep your important documents like your passport, visa, and credit cards in a safe and secure place like a money belt or a hidden pouch. It's always a good idea to make copies of these documents and keep them separate from the originals. And remember, don't flash your cash around or leave your belongings unattended in public places. It's always better to be safe than sorry. That's it for my top 5 travel tips. I hope you found these tips helpful, and that they inspire you to get out there and explore the world with confidence and ease. Remember, traveling is all about embracing new experiences and creating unforgettable memories. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more travel inspiration. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming adventures. Until next time, safe travels and happy exploring.